Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So I'm really excited about this video. You saw the title. This is a brand new sneaker for me. 361 Degrees is the brand. Flame RS is the sneaker model. And this is a carbon fiber plated sneaker. And if you are a subscriber, if you watched my videos, you know I'm on a mission to gather as many different sneaker brands as I can. Obscure brands, least known brands, and this is one of them. So let's get right into it. I won't be needing my real carbon fiber unboxing pocket knife this time because the box has one of these. Okay. I can see the box already. Now this is the logo of the brand, and you gotta admit this is a very sick logo. Check these out. I know it says Quick Bone on the carbon right here, which is weird. Well, at least it doesn't say Quick Boner. Okay, let me tell you something. This is a very lightweight sneaker. Oh, the insole just came out, and well, this is a very thin and flimsy insole. I'm going to put that back later. So as you can see, they have their logo on the sides in a rubbery print, which hold on. Okay, it is different to the one on the box. I don't really like that. This logo on the box is way nicer. So let's do the on feet now, and then I'm going to get back with the things I don't like and things I like about these after wearing them for a bunch of kilometers. But you know what? I think I'm going to make some changes on these first. Let me know what do you think about the change. First of all, I think they look way better like this. Let's see that on feet. Okay, so first let me tell you what I did to these. I've wiped that Quick Boner writing on the exposed carbon, then I've wiped the two-tone midsole with acetone and redesigned that yellow and blue design. I've used a trashed overpriced Crep Protect paint marker, which is fucking useless. And after spraying water repellent spray, that paint bled all over the midsole and the upper. It was horrible. So I've wiped the midsole again, but the upper got dyed with the black. So I had to do something else and change the midsole design again. I've used leather paint for the white and the normal black marker for the black part. They look kind of weird, and you can see they were painted, but to me they look like those Maison Margiela Reebok sneakers. So I like them. And also on feet you cannot really tell they are painted. They are just a bit shiny. So I've worn these for 50 kilometers. This is how they look, and here are the things I don't like about them. First of all, the retail price. 190 euros is way too high for this sneaker. Please don't tell me that price is because these have a carbon plate. Carbon is not that expensive anymore. I bought carbon plates and they are very cheap. The second thing I don't like is that fake boost material. Another thing I don't like is that two-tone midsole, but this is with all sneakers. All the companies that do this two-tone midsole, please stop. The insole of these is very thin and flimsy, and it was not set on the inside. But I took care of that with some double-sided tape. And I do know these are technically racing sneakers, and everything needs to be as thin as possible, as lightweight as possible, but at least fix that insole on the inside. The tongue is also very thin and very trash. and it keeps sliding down. The edge of the tongue on the inside kept on rubbing on my foot, which was very annoying. I kind of took care of that just by removing the excess material from the inside. The last thing I don't like about these, the logo on the sneakers is not the same as the logo on the box. Why not make it the same? Let's see another on feet, and I'll be back with the things I like about these. First of all, the price. I've paid about 109 euros for these, which is way better than the retail price. These are extremely lightweight. I'm going to put the weight on the screen. These really grew on me after wearing them a lot, looking at the design. I really like it. They look different and very nice. It's a fresh brand, it's a fresh silhouette, and of course I really like this logo. Another thing about these, even though the heel part is very narrow, there is a lot of room in the toe area, in the toe box. And they are very comfortable. I really like the upper style with that mesh they used, the reinforced toe box. Even though I don't like that fake boost midsole, it's still interesting on these. It's kind of firm when you try to squeeze it, but it's very squishy underfoot. And finally, I really like how the foot stays on almost all the midsole. I need to say this because recently I got some sneakers with what looks like a big midsole, but in fact your foot goes deep inside, halfway of what the midsole should be. I think I will rant about this in a future video because it's starting to really piss me off. And by the way, the sizing is perfect on these. I've seen some reviews saying the sizing is wrong, but as always, my advice, for free by the way, is to check the centimeters when you're getting a new brand of sneakers, something that you never owned. Alright, so that is my review of the 361 degrees Flame RS sneaker. Let me know if you have any questions, let me know what you think about these, but that's it. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye.